Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn more about memberships for your channel. So, for my other channel, IamSaave, which is a travel based channel, I have just activated my membership for the channel. You can see over here the join button is there, and when I click on it, you get two different types of membership. Now, net, if you ask me what are the benefits and perks of being a member of a channel, so if you have a good subscriber base and there are genuine subscribers who post comments and interact with your content, then you can create some selective content for them, especially wherein you give them perks, more shout outs and more visibility to them, and then some videos and content only for your members wherein they get additional content or knowledge or value from your channel. So I have just made two of my trending videos as members only members will be able to view these videos on my channel, and I'm trying to add more and more things. So if you see some of the perks of my channel, I will show you how I designed them. So important thing is, how do you go about creating memberships and what are the advantages for you as a content creator? So the straightway advantage is you earn a recurring income, right? You can create up to six levels of memberships for your subscribers depending on the type of content you have. I have created two, and you can assign any amount that which is reflecting in the YouTube membership dashboard, and you can give them perks as per your convenience. So now, how do you go about creating this, right? So once you click on earn, you can see there are different tabs, and this gets enabled. And when you click on membership, now this is I have activated this in the last week itself, so there are no members yet. But this is the dashboard, and you can see there is an edit button. So you can create different levels of memberships. Now I have created two, and you can see the perks which are there for the different types. So I have created two, wherein life with Saave and travel with Saave. In life with Saave, I have added standard perks. These are standard perks which are applicable under YouTube membership: loyalty badges, emojis, priority reply to comments, member shoutouts, photos and status updates, members only videos, and members only shorts. So there will be these type of advantages to the members if they are availing this membership from me, and I can edit this at any time. So monthly price, you can see I have fixed it at 59 rupees, and this will be applicable as in different countries as per their currency. So I can add, customize different kind of perks, so I can delete it from now over here, right? So if you see in this one, travel with Survey, I have added customized perks. That is, early access connecting on social media is one, but invite to our travel podcast. This is my travel channel, and the those who are availing this membership can get an invite on a travel podcast, and also they can collab on the travel content which I post. So these two are my customized perks, that is not a part of YouTube perks which are standard, right? Like early access to new videos, members only videos. These are standard YouTube perks which you can add, delete, but these do I have created on my own, because I think users can find value in appearing on podcast and collaborating if they have their own channel, right? I will just show you how you can create a new level the same way these two are created. So you can click on this edit, you can keep the name what you want, you can select. So these are the range of prices which YouTube offers, right, for applying to your membership level. So I kept it as the lowest because these are just two new levels, and in future I can then modify or add or increase the pricing if I want. The perks, like I said, right, there are some standard perks from YouTube, or you can create your own, right? So if you click on this, you can see the standard perks from YouTube which you can select and add under this. So you can see gameplay with you, members only polls. So this you can create, you can write a description if you're creating something which is customized, right? Selecting custom perk, right? So this way you can add and then click on done, and the perks will be applicable and reflect in your membership. So that's the way. Once you click on this, you click on next. So over here I am deleting this delete level since I'm not creating one. But once you click on next, it is the review process. So what is the happening over here is, once you click on review, YouTube, it gets submitted to YouTube for reviewing the perks which you're offering, and it takes around, for me it took 1 hour. And once it is done, uh, the membership is rolled out, and you can then share it with your channel members and subscribers. You get links to share. You can invite viewers to join your channel or share your members only videos uh, as a post or on other social media pages you have on Facebook and Twitter, right? So that's the way you can create this membership for your channel. And the most important thing is what this helps you with is you get recurring income. People who subscribe and join your membership, they get exclusive content and priority shout out, rewards to your comments. So in my case on this channel, what happens is people drop off comments for planning their trips, basis my travel vlogs or podcasts. So this can be a better perk for them. If they join memberships, they get instant rewards uh, on their queries for planning their trips, right? So that's the way you can plan your membership and take advantage of this feature to earn additional revenue from your YouTube channel. Hope this was useful. If you have any queries, drop in the comments and I will try to answer those in upcoming videos or through via posts. Like and subscribe to YouTube with Saave. Thanks.